If you're looking to achieve the best physical glow up in less than a week, transforming from basic to classic all without breaking the bank, then you're in the right place. I am Best, and today I'll be guiding you through a 7-day glow up challenge that will change the way you appear to the world. So let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. We're all looking to become the best version of ourselves while developing some killer habits on a budget. On day 1, we have defining your vision and staying hydrated. So you're going to be taking some time to visualize the best version of yourself. You're going to write down what a classy body means to you. Is it confidence? Is it composure? Is it style? Is it fashionable? Whatever you feel like a glow up or a physical glow up means to you, you can write them down, because that's what we're going to be achieving in the next 7 days. And in these 7 days, you're going to be keeping that vision in mind. The next thing you're going to be doing is to start your hydration routine. You're going to be drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your skin clear. And trust me, drinking of water does not just keep your skin clear, but it just makes your energy level high. If you would like to add a little something to it, then you can add cucumber or mint for a refreshing twist. Water is very free and one of the best beauty treatments out there, so you better start drinking water. On day 2, we're going to be doing skincare routine and grooming. Day 2 is going to be dedicated to skincare routine and grooming, and you don't need expensive products. A gentle cleanser, an affordable exfoliant, and a gentle moisturizer with SPF will do you great wonders. So make sure to look for budget-friendly options at your local drugstore. Next thing you're going to be doing is focusing on grooming. You're going to be shaving your eyebrows, you're going to be doing your DIY lashes, and you're going to be making sure that your nails are clean and polished. And you can even try out new colors, bold colors like red, black, blue, those kind of colors that you have never tried before. Try them out. Colors that make you feel fierce and confident. Make sure to try them out. You can find great grooming tools and nail polishes at affordable prices. On day 3, we are going to be doing nutrition and fitness. Day 3 is going to be all about nourishing your body with the right foods. So you're going to be eating plenty of colorful vegetables and fruits. Instead of eating junk, you're going to be leaning onto proteins, vitamins, and healthy fats. You don't have to spend a lot. Make sure to shop for like affordable proteins like beans and eggs. Now, the next thing you're going to be doing is to combine this with a workout routine. And you don't need a gym membership to get fit. You're going to be trying out body weight exercises like planks, squats, and push-ups. Or you can follow free workout routine videos online. While doing this, you're going to be aiming for at least 30 minutes of exercise so you can boost your confidence. On day 4, we're going to be doing style updates on a budget. You don't need to go and be splurging on new clothes and expensive wears that you cannot afford. Shop your own closet first, and then you can check out like thrift stores, budget-friendly stores that sell like classic timeless pieces. Simple wears, you're going to be going for the nudes, the browns, the black. Instead of going for basic wears, you can go for like tailored pieces. Like, it's time to buy blazers, it's time to buy sundresses, it's time to buy like chic dresses, classic wears, modest dressing. When it comes to accessories, you're going to be going for statement pieces, those pieces that look bold yet classy. Those are the kind of accessories that you're going to be purchasing. Don't be scared to experiment with new looks and get out of that your comfort zone. On day 5, we are going to be doing beauty, sleep, and mindfulness. Day 5 is all about rest and recovery. You're going to be aiming for 7 to 9 hours of sleep at night because your body needs to recover. Sleep is very crucial for a glowing skin, and not just a glowing skin, but your overall well-being. To add to that, you have to practice meditation to help you calm, to help you relax, to help you clear your mind. You don't need anything fancy, you just need a quiet space, and you just need to breathe. The truth is, a calm and focused mind contributes to like a very sweet appearance. Day 6, we're going to be doing self-care and pampering. I personally love day 6 because who doesn't love to pamper? Who doesn't love to take care of themselves? What you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking a luxurious bubble bath. Now, when I say a luxurious bubble bath, it does not have to mean in a jacuzzi full of bubbles. No. If you used to have your bath for 2 minutes, then have your bath for 4 minutes. You're going to relax and you're going to make sure to scrub your body. Make sure you have a nice bath. Treat yourself to a face mask or give yourself a DIY spa at home. Just do anything that makes you feel special and cared for without spending a lot. Do your favorite activity like reading a book, watching a TV show, watching a movie, relaxing. Self-care is very important when you're trying to maintain your glow. On day 7, we are going to be doing final touches and confidence. On day 7, you're going to be perfecting your makeup with a classy, bold look. Now, for those of you that don't like makeup, a winged eyeliner is fine. For those of you that love makeup, a red lips is perfect. What's a bold look without a smoky eye? When you're done with your makeup, you're going to style your hair in a way that will make you feel unstoppable. You don't need expensive products. Your drugstore makeup and your DIY hairstyles, you do the trick. You have to remember that being the best version of yourself physically is all about embodying confidence and style while being smart with your budget. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'm going to be starting my vlogs very soon, and these are vlogs that people might not watch, but who cares? Do well to share your glow up results in the comments section. I would love to see your progress. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep shining. If you have anything to ask, do well to ask in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.